Hi everyone, my name is Danielle. I'm from Rezt and Relax Interior. I'm a senior designer and working with the company for 6 years. Today I'm going to show you an executive maisonette that I have done out recently. Let me show you around. The concept for this living room, actually we are doing something timeless. We don't want it to be too heavy, but at the same time, it looks grand and generous for the overall outcome. This kitchen wall, actually I'm using marble and together with wood. So it's actually a fusion type of a design. We actually make it cozy as well. This is an open concept kitchen. We are using room accessories, and also at the same time we're using quartz for the countertop. We have individual drawers for all the consumable stuff. Over the top we are using HK hinges instead of the normal casement, so owner will not hit the head. We also install lights, so at night when they are doing cooking, it's more visible. Okay, this is the dining area. My owner actually requested for a lot of space for her staff, so we did a settee. At the same time, she can host her parties here with all the guests sitting here. Let's follow me up to the second level. This is the master bedroom. For this master bedroom, we actually did a full height cabinet. This is a fusion of a fabric carcass and the wood finishing for the wardrobe. We had the floor and wall tiles for this toilet, so we did a mirror box and vanity cabinet. And also at the same time, she have a special request is that for the bathroom door, you have to be louver to allow ventilation.
Hello, I'm Samantha C, and this is my boy, Michael. So I'm very happy to have Daniel here today, and Daniel has been with us through the journey of renovation. Rezt and Relax is of course a very reputable company in Singapore. So I'm very happy Rezt and Relax has given me a dream home. Thank you very much Rezt and Relax, and of course thank you very much Daniel for being around.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video with Rezt and Relax Interior. Once a customer, always a customer.